Hello everyone and welcome to the 44th Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about important messages that need your attention. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get going. So today we're going to talk about how to integrate certain things into your existing platforms so it seamlessly works with your flow of communication with your end client. So to get to it, I'm going to show you our integrations page. So this is it, 46elks.com/integrations. Let me just grab a sip here. So yeah, we have a lot of things here from our Just Send application, which allows you to just type in the recipient, the message that you want to send, and mass send manually or through Excel file. You can just mass send different messages. We also have Zapier, GitHub Actions, a lot of integrations here. Today I'm going to focus on WordPress. It's kind of close to my heart. I've been working with WordPress 10 years, almost over 10 years now. Google Sheets also, a lot of good resources here that will help you integrate seamlessly the capabilities of sending, receiving text messages, initiating voice capabilities, etc. So yeah, this is the URL for the WordPress site. So you can type in Google, you can just type in WordPress 46 Elks, you will get the same thing. I will share the exact page. Here we go. So you have send SMS with 46 Elks or contact telephone. So there's a small integration with another very popular contact form on WordPress. You will get notified when an SMS when the contact form is being filled out. We have screenshots here, you can ask questions, etc. But the most important part is for you to download it and just upload it through your WordPress site, or go directly to your plugin section on your WordPress site and look for it there. So send SMS with 46 Elks. Cool. Let's get to very concrete example. We always have this very concrete examples here in 46 Elks in these tech talks. So let's just dive into the motivation first a little bit. So we are trying to grab attention for the right reason. So when we have these interactions that come to a standstill because certain payment gateway doesn't work, for example, as it was illustrated in the picture in the intro video. So we want to know about that. So the owner of the website, of the web shop, wants to know about that fact. What a better way to cut through the noise by grabbing someone's attention by having sent an SMS or simply initiate a phone call. So for these important things, it's quite good to have that tool. So yeah, we have it. All right, let's just have some administration to do here. All right, so yeah, had something in the chat, so I had to move it a little bit. So using SMS or voice, as I've touched it on before, so we have APIs, we have code examples, we have integrations, as I mentioned before. So if you have something in WordPress and you want to easily test this out, this is a good way of using our WordPress tool, which I will showcase right now. But if you want to integrate something within very very complex platform, then obviously you're going to have to use our API. Just call up our API and basically you can initiate a sort of communication toward the end customer. Yes. So I will basically now share the site that is very concretely going to show you how exactly our WordPress plugin is being used. So let just get to it. All right. So what you're seeing now is a live site that I have. It's a website that I built for the local IT community here in Croatia. And as you can tell, when you install our plugin, it's pretty straightforward. You have send via SMS via 46L. Then you have send SMS with 46L for contact 74. Oh, we have a typo here. Okay, we'll get to that. Yeah, so you obviously firstly have to build a contact form in order for this to work. So we go to contact, we go to edit, and we have these tags called your name, your email, your message. So these are important to be aware of. And obviously the very rudimentary things that you would ask in a contact form. All right, we go back to the plugin. So we have that contact form, and we want to use the tags that we have here so that they are integrated in the message that we want to send. So we define the contact form that we want to choose, because we could have multiple contact forms on the website, right? We can send SMS from, so it picks up all my numbers from the 46 Elks account. So I have multitude of numbers available for my 46 Elks account, but I have chosen the sender ID. Sender ID is going to be called ITZRI web. Yeah, whatever. Just an acronym of the website. I'm going to choose to send the SMS to myself. So if someone wants to reach out to me, they reach out through this form and I get it on my mobile phone. So that's kind of the whole point. All right. So your name, we can type it in like this. So if I type in Rene, so Rene, a person named Rene with an email, then goes the email, has this message. Or if you want to save up space, you don't have to do this. You will just get the raw username or name, email, and then your message, their message. But there are other things that I won't bother you a lot here. You have the balance alert settings so that when the balance comes to a lower point, lower than €5, for example, we have put it here. Then you have these options of having an SMS being sent to you saying, hey, you're at €5 now, perhaps consider topping up your account, because if the account is at 0, then SMSs won't arrive. We have the credentials settings here. You have to type in your API username and API password. You can get them at your dashboard at 46elks.com/dashboard. Cool. So we have set it up. Person name with an email tag has this message tag, your message. Let's save changes. Let's give it a go in the real life. Okay. On the website. If we can say that our website is a real life. So we have this contact form, whatever. It could be a contact form as this one if someone just simply wants to reach out, right? But again, it can be integrated. This WordPress plugin can be switched up, changed, modified, so it can be integrated into a process. Or again, a more useful tool for following up a process or communicate to the end customer is actually using an API, right? Okay, let's give it a go. So my mobile phone is ready. I have to check it out with this. Turn off the silent mode. And yeah, I have already gotten from this sender ID, I have already gotten some messages about my account status. So that's interesting to see. But okay, let me write it here. So email and messages and panicky. My credit card isn't working here. Oh, what should I do? So I'm going to hit send, and I'm going to share this and just switch up the screens. Well, I got these notifications before, if you can tell. Okay, a person. So we have written it. A person named their name with an email has this message. My credit card is not working here. So it's simply a way of, again, cutting through the noise, grabbing someone's attention, but in the right way for the right reasons, right? We're all about that. So it is a tool that helps you realize if there's an error, if there's a malfunction, helps you cut through the noise, helps you communicate very easily with the owner of the website, owner of the platform. It could be a team, it could be something along of initiating a certain process on the server. Something goes wrong, you notify the team via SMS if someone doesn't respond to a certain task or a certain issue. So yeah, cool. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for all these things. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for keeping up. It's our 44th Tech Talk. We've been doing this almost for a year now. We had a little break on the summer, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Looking forward on meeting you all. Anyone watching, attending Slush, I'll be there. Looking forward to meeting you there. I think that we'll organize a Tech Talk there also. So yeah, that's always cool to do. Thank you everyone for watching. Happy weekend and bye.